we can go ahead and start to import and work with these files. Let's go ahead and open our assembly file and extract just the individual part we're going to use. Just by double clicking on it, it'll launch AnyCAD on its own. And I very much do want to turn this into an Inventor file and save it as an Inventor file type so there'll be no referencing. It's just going to automatically convert. I want to keep the composite curves the way they are, the save spot and the save location where it is. I'm going to go hit OK, and it's going to open this and open this as an assembly. Now what you'll see is it grounded the first base part component. And I am using a 3D mouse for most of this, but there again we can use shift and rotate around so we can look at this. Once all of this is in here, it's a good idea just to go ahead and save that as the customer model. And what that's going to do is that's going to save each one of these parts as they were imported, even as a step file, with each one's individual name. Now there's two ways you can do this. You can select the part that you want to machine over here on the left-hand side in the browser, or you can come into the screen and you can select the part. We're going to go ahead and just click on that front cover. I'm going to right click and I'm going to open that part. Now that immediately pulls us into the part modeling environment. And what you can see here is down here at the bottom, here's our original assembly that we opened it from. And here is the individual part in its own file. Now what that basically did was that opened it up from this location. So anything that we do to this part from this point forward is going to change and parametrically update through to the assembly file. Now why that's good is because if a customer sends us an assembly step file, it still opens everything individually, and we aren't hiding things on layers anymore. We have individual solid part files for each one of these parts in here.